Oh, hello everyone. Well, it's evening. You'll have to excuse me. I think I'm going to be Santa Claus for Christmas, so I'm going to let this thing grow and do some Santa Claus stuff for Christmas. But anyway, enough said. So it is Saturday night. The week has flown by. My sneakerbot project, which I started for fun, has developed a life of its own. I've got a Slack channel I'm chatting with people about it on. People are contacting me on Facebook. People are contacting me, have moved me to Discord. I'm writing a Discord integration. I've got maybe 30 people now who are talking to me about using the app for sneakerbotting without even really advertising. No more than really just doing this video. So here's something to be said for it. YouTube works. YouTube works for niche markets, for connecting people together quickly. At least in this domain, it works. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm really tired. It's like I'm drinking information from these people like water from a fire hose. I'm getting them back out code. I love doing this work. It's great. It's fun. It's exhilarating. And heck, it might even be profitable. It's hard to say. I've got enough people who are interested in the product right now that, yeah, maybe it will be. So what can I say about this? This is an update. Sneakerbot. If you want to be a beta tester, if you want to get one of the few slots that are going to be open when this thing comes out, message me. It is multi-threaded, multitasked, multi-proxied, web deployed, licensed server. I'm tying it into Discord right now. You can set up your tasks months in advance and save them. It can hover. It can. It's got whole bunches of features, and more features are being added every day as people say, geez, wouldn't that be great if it does this? Well, I do lots of that. I write the code, so there are things it does that a lot of people are interested in, like setting your tasks up a day or two ahead of time and then just letting the damn thing run, and the tasks will fire off when they need to fire off. It gets through a lot of the anti-bot stuff quite easily. I had to rewrite major parts of it several times. So it's all good. I'm tired. I'm a happy tired. But if you're interested in the sneakerbot, contact me. Contact me now. So, slots are going to fill up fast. I'm really surprised how many people are messaging me wanting to have a slot for when this sucker takes off. So anyway, hoping I can get this out into a final release, or at least a version 1 paid release by this time next week. So come on, come check it out. Look forward to you being there. Follow me on this channel.